So good morning all of you. Today we are going to start exercise 4.2 chapter 4 basic geometric ideas. Now before I explain question number 1 and 2 of exercise 4.2, let me just give you some definition. Very important definition. The first definition that we'll write is curve. C-U-R-V-E. Very important definition. Okay, so what is curve? So we'll write curve are formed. So curve are formed by drawing without lifting the pen. So those drawing which we draw without lifting our pen. I will show you some examples also. Without lifting our pen, okay, from the paper. So this is the definition of curve. Now let me give you some example. Okay, so drawing in which we do not lift our pen. Suppose number 1 drawing is straight line. See, this is also a curve. Why? Because we have not, without lifting a pen, I have drawn this figure. So this is also a curve. Number 2, this is also a curve because without lifting a pen I have drawn this. So this will be also a curve. Number 3, this is also a curve because without lifting a pen I have drawn this figure. Okay, so those figure in which you draw without lifting a pen are called curve. Okay, so now next definition that we'll learn or that we'll try to understand is open curve. Now the next definition that we'll learn or we'll try to understand is simple curve. Now what is a simple curve? A curve which does not cross. A curve which does not cross. I will make you understand when I will draw some figures, so you will understand better. So a curve which does not cross itself. Okay, so this is called a simple curve. Is called a simple curve. You can write is called a simple curve. Now let me show you some example. Suppose number 1, this is one figure. Number 2, suppose this is another figure. Number 3, I would like to draw with another pen. That is, suppose like this. And number 4, I will give you another figure. That is this. Okay. So now we'll read the definition again. A curve which does not cross. So figure, you see that these all are curved because I have not lifted my pen. Without lifting my pen, I have drawn all the figures. So this all figures are curved. But why some of the figures are simple curve and some figures are not simple curve? So you have to understand which figures are called simple and which simple curve and which figures are not termed as a simple curve. Now you see the curve which does not cross itself. So this figure, do you see anywhere I am crossing? No, I am not crossing. Do you see anywhere I am crossing here? No. But in these two figures you see there is a cross section is happening. See, here we are crossing. These two lines are crossing somewhere. So when you see that a curve where there is a cross sign, where the two lines are crossing, okay, so those figures will not termed as a simple curve. Even this also you see, I have drawn this curve without lifting my pen, but you see there is a cross is there. When the two lines are crossing, okay, two lines are crossing, then this particular curve will not be termed as a simple curve. So these are the two figures which are the right example for simple curve. Even this also you can say as a simple curve. You see there is no cross. Even this also will be termed as a simple curve because there is no cross. The only thing that you have to monitor is that the lines should not cross each other. Okay, so if any curve you see that the line is crossing anyway, then those particular diagrams will not be considered as a simple curve. As simple as this. Now my next thing that I am going to explain, which is also very important, that is a closed curve. Now what is a closed curve? So a closed curve, okay, is a design, is any design or drawing also you can say, is any design that has no endpoints. Okay, that has no endpoints drawn on a flat surface. Drawn on a flat surface means page or anywhere which is flat. Okay. So what is a closed curve? A closed curve is any design that has no endpoints drawn on the flat surface. So in other words, you can also say that if you draw a design without lifting your pencil and end at the point where you began, okay, where you began, it would be a closed curve. Suppose example, as this is also a curve, so suppose if I draw one figure like this, okay, and I'm not lifting my pen, you see, without lifting my pen, I came to the same position where I started. Okay, I came to the same position where I started. So this type of figure would be termed as closed curve. Another example, suppose this. See, again I return to the same position. So I started from this position, isn't it? I started from this position and without lifting my pen, again I came to the same position. So this type of figures are called closed curve. Again another example. Another example if I want to give, then suppose this. Suppose I am starting from here. I want to give a red mark. Okay. So I am going to start from here. See, this is also a closed curve. Fine. So a figure which you draw without lifting a pen and you return back from where you have started, so this all figures will be termed as a closed figure. Okay. Now here is another very important definition, that is open curve. And what is an open curve? An open curve is a curve. Okay, an open curve is a curve where the beginning and end points are not same. Okay, so these are called the open curve. I am going to read out the definition again. An open curve is a curve where the beginning and the end points are different. Also you can say are not same. Okay, so let me show you some example. Some examples are, suppose like this. Yeah, you see, this is also a curve because I have drawn without lifting my pen. But what is the difference you see? Suppose if I have started from point A, so my end point is not point A but somewhere different. Fine. So they are not connected to each other. So since they are open, so that is the reason they are called open curve. Okay, you can draw this also. This is also open curve because the starting point and ending points are not same. This is also open curve because starting point and ending point are not same. So these are all the examples, students, of example. These are all the examples of open curve where you see the starting point and the ending point are different. Okay.